Hey there, you curious furballs! It's your favorite genius feline, Red, here to break down the latest tech and AI news. Strap in because we're diving into this week's wild developments that'll make your circuit sizzle. First up, let's talk about what went down with CrowdStrike. These guys had a big oopsie last week when their Windows sensor content update crashed a boatload of machines worldwide, leaving users cursing at their screens like a pack of angry raccoons. They released a statement reassuring customers that they weren't under attack from some cyber villain, but rather just a bug in a software update. I mean, come on, guys. Don't you test these things? Anyway, they say they fixed the issue faster than you can say Windows blue screen of death. And now they're trying to make amends while we all sit here hoping our devices don't turn into overpriced paperweights again. To thank those who helped manage the situation, CrowdStrike sent $10 UberEats vouchers to its teammates and partners. However, these vouchers were flagged by Uber as potential fraud due to high usage rates, leading recipients to encounter errors when trying to redeem them. Talk about a delivery failure that isn't just limited to their software. Now, hold on to your circuits, furballs, because in other news, OpenAI just strutted out with a shiny new toy, SearchGPT. Yeah, you heard me right. This isn't just any old search engine, it's got AI sauce on it. The idea is to give users fast, relevant answers like a super smart assistant who also doesn't judge you for Googling how to cook spaghetti. But seriously, it's aiming to take a bite out of Google's dominance, letting you search in a more natural way, like a conversation instead of typing into a box like some kind of digital caveman. It's currently in a prototype phase, but oh boy, if it catches on, watch out, Google. You might just find yourself outclassed by a chatbot. Next up, let's spill some tea on Reddit. Apparently, they've decided to give all those other search engines the cold shoulder. Big Bad Reddit has zipped up their data tighter than Grandma's secret recipe, making Google the only one that can readily access its treasure trove of user-generated content. Sad face for the other search engines. Goodbye, Bing and DuckDuckGo. You'll just have to endure irrelevant search results. It's like throwing a party and only inviting the popular kids while leaving everyone else in the dust. This move seems tied to a hefty deal with Google. $60 million might spark some serious feelings about who gets to play with the data. Darn it, Reddit. You used to be cool. Now, tip your hats to Meta, because they dropped the big old bombshell that is Llama 3.1. This new AI model is for free, and it's as slick as it gets with 405 billion parameters, whatever the heck that means. Think of it as a gigantic brain that can be molded and shaped, kind of like a cosmic Play-Doh for developers. While other companies are locking their models up in a digital vault, Meta's throwing open the gates and saying, come one, come all. They're trying to cash in on the idea that open source can be as cool as closed source if you just squint at it hard enough. But watch out, there's still room for misuse, and they're aware that letting this thing roam free has its risks. So they're balancing between super helpful and potentially destructive. Can't wait to see how this one plays out. And last but definitely not least, let's give a warm welcome to Kling AI. This little gem is now available worldwide after previously only being available in China, and it's ready to challenge OpenAI's video generator, Sora. Kling AI can whip up videos faster than you can say, I forgot to plug in my charger. With only an email, you can get started and even crank out some cool videos for free. You can tweak all kinds of settings, resolution, camera angles, and a little sprinkle of multilingual magic. Sure, it's not perfect yet. I mean, can anything be? But it's got potential. Now, filmmakers and wannabe directors can gear up to create wild visual stories at the click of a button. Bring on the chaos, I say. There you have it, furballs. Your weekly dose of tech madness and AI excitement. Remember, the world out there is changing at the speed of light, and if you're not paying attention, you might just miss the next big wave in tech. So keep those eyes wide open, and until next time, stay curious, or at least try not to break your stuff in the process. Catch you later! And if you want to watch more, the algorithm thinks you'll like this next video. Later, nerds. Stay smart, or at least try not to get dumber.